Hi guys, Brett here from Hearns Hobbies, and today I'd like to talk to you about the 1/18 scale Tornado RC cars. In the range there's about 5 different colours, and these are a really popular seller and they're a great first time RC model. So there's a couple of new features on this one, something that we've had for a long time. So I'm going to do an unboxing and a brief operation to show you. So first thing we're greeted with is the instructions, which is really good, gives you all the operating parameters, adjustments and a full spare parts listing. Because the beauty about these cars is that most of the parts are available as a spare, so you can in fact repair them and fix them up as they wear or get accident damaged. Slide it out of the box here and reveal this really well presented 1/18 scale four-wheel drive truck. Alright, so let's start with the transmitter. Open up the box, and it does in fact come with its own charger. It is LiPo powered car, it's got its own charger, and it's a USB style, so you can use something even as simple as a power bank for your mobile phone to charge up your batteries on the go. Now it will take a couple of hours to charge, but nonetheless any USB socket can operate this charger. Okay, put that to a side. Now this is a brand new transmitter that's come with these cars now, and the best single feature about it is the speed control. I'm going to bring it right up here. So that's a little dial here, so that will allow us to adjust the speed from a maximum of like walking pace all the way up to 40 kilometers an hour. So really good for first time and inexperienced users that they don't have full access to the truck in full speed power. Before that this was available on the transmitter, we used to use an elastic band or a hair tie over the wrapped around the trigger to act as a stopper. So in fact it couldn't be pulled back all the way. But now they've taken that out of the equation with this simple little dial. So I'm really looking forward to getting it fired up. Okay, so I'm going to put some batteries in this transmitter. It's as simple as removing the little cover off the bottom of the transmitter case here. Put that down. Now it does just take 3 AA batteries. Goes in there like so. And it's good the fact that they've got little screw covers, screws in the case covers to ensure that little fingers don't get in there and pull the batteries out when you're not looking. Go ahead and do this screw up like so. Just going to double check that there's, yep, searching. The blinking means it's searching for the car. Fantastic. Turn that off, put that down. Now we'll get to the good bit, unboxing the car. And that should be as easy as cutting these cable ties off the bottom of the box here. They're packaged really well, so they travel really well in the mail and shipping. Put this box over here to the side, and here we are, greeted with the 1/18 scale Tornado. So you can see in fact that it is four-wheel drive. It does have body clips and it does have a sports wing on the back, this model. The battery case is in the bottom of it. So what I recommend you do before using the vehicle for the first time is in fact charging the battery up to its fullest. So for this demonstration it should have enough to get it going. So to charge the battery up, it's as simple as here I've got a power bank. And then I'll plug the battery in. And we can see the light is blinking away to indicate that it's charging. There we go. So as soon as it's fully charged, it will in fact change the blink rate. And that's when you know that it's done. Okay, we'll unplug that for the minute. I'm going to install the battery in the car. It's going to put this little plug in here. I can only plug in one way. If little people are involved with this, it helps to have some adult supervision. And of course the batteries are available separately, so there's nothing to stop you from having 2 or 3 charged up at any time. to ensure that you can just change the battery and keep running. Again, put a little screw in the bottom, save the battery nice and secure. While we're here, I will take the body off just to show underneath, but it only has to come off for cleaning and servicing. Okay, as you can see here, everything is really well contained. There's nothing that's really that little fingers can get stuck into. There's nothing that is that can really get hot, and nothing that really can't be touched. So they've done a really good job of securing that. Go ahead and put the body on. 4 simple little pins. Again, they're available as a spare part because they often get lost in the event of an accident or fall into the carpet when you come service time. I'll turn the controller on first. We'll have a blinking red light, then I'll turn the switch on. You can see that the blinking light has then gone to a solid red light, and that indeed shows that it's on. So now what we can do is we can activate the steering, and it should have the throttle as well. Now that is in half speed mode. You can see there, even with full throttle applied, that the car does in fact have very little power. As I wind that speed dial up, you can hear how much faster the car actually goes. So it's adjustable from walking speed up to its full 40 km/h potential. And the runtime on this truck can be anywhere between 10 and 20 minutes, depends how it's used. If it's used inside and around the house, of course, it's going to last a lot longer than bashing around the front lawn. They do love going in a bit of gravel, and they do love going on tan bark. One place where they wouldn't be ideal is at the beach or near a lot of water. So yeah, so there's a couple of the features of the Tornado 1/18 scale truck. And I'm Brett from Hearns. Thanks for watching.